Tomorrow's World. Think about a normal day. What do you usually wear? What technology do you use? What's your house like? Now, let's see what everyday life will be like in the future. What will we be wearing in the future? While some scientists are developing textiles that allow the wearer to generate electricity as they walk, and others are working on clothes that monitor your fitness, Dr. Manuel Torres and Professor Paul Luckham have invented a spray-on fabric. The spray contains minute cotton, wool, linen, or acrylic fibers that dry instantly on your skin and turn into garments like t-shirts or tops. You can wear it, wash it, and then wear it again, just like the rest of the clothes in your wardrobe. Then, when you get bored, you can dissolve it and use the material again to make something new. Fabricant took 10 years to develop, and when it goes on sale, it'll probably cost around £10 a can. Cheap enough for trendsetters to wear something new every day. Dr. Torres hopes that in the future there will be spray booths in stores where you can drop in to design something new. They are also looking into its use for spray-on bandages and furniture coverings. Wouldn't it be great if you could just think of something you want and print it out on a computer? Well, believe it or not, you can. For the first time ever, scientists have found a way to print out fully working machines using a 3D printer. The first item is a fully functional bicycle made of nylon called the air bike. It's as strong as steel but much lighter. It comes out as a complete bike with no assembly required. The possibilities for this new technology are endless. Medical researchers hope that with a special cartridge of human cells and bio-friendly gel, it can be used to print out skin grafts for burn victims. They have already managed to demonstrate the potential medical uses by printing out a copy of a human ear in 30 minutes. As you arrive home with the shopping, Grace tells you who phoned while you were out. You put your groceries down on the kitchen counter, and she gives you recipe ideas, tells you how to cook them, and gives you dietary advice. As you move into the living room, she organizes your evening entertainment. A window made of smart glass becomes a TV. Wallpaper changes on demand, and every surface doubles as a touchscreen with instant internet access. But Grace isn't a member of the family, at least not yet. She's a network of voice-activated computers that runs the e-home, the house of the future. Grace is the star of a show home by Microsoft that demonstrates much of this technology, and all of it is going to be on the market within the next few years. So before long, we will be talking to the walls.